Today our lecture is about the confirmed LC and the confirmed LC works and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the confirmed LC. In previous lectures we have discussed about the introduction of LC and its different types: red clause LC, green clause LC, irrevocable LC, revocable LC, and other types. Today, our topic is about confirmed LC. A confirmed letter of credit is a type of letter of credit where the second bank, usually the seller's country, adds its confirmation to the LC issued by the buyer's bank. This means the confirming bank guarantee payment to the seller even if buyer's bank or buyer itself defaults or fails to make the payment. As a simple, you can say in the case of confirmed LC, seller make a condition or add a guarantor bank, additional bank known as a guarantor bank, you can say, uh, to ensure the payment will be done by the buyer's bank. Even the buyer's bank goes for default or fail the payment, so that guarantor bank will give the payment to the seller. How a confirmed LC works: a buyer arranges the letter of credit through their bank. Second, the seller may request confirmation from a local bank. Local bank is a confirming bank to reduce the risk of non-payment that we have already discussed in the previous slides. To reduce the risk of non-payment, it add as a grantor bank. Third, the confirming bank adds its guarantee, ensuring the sellers will be paid as long as they meet the conditions set out in the LC. If the buyer's bank cannot pay, confirming bank take responsibility for the payment. So that is the main point in the case of confirmed LC. If the buyer's bank cannot pay or goes to default, the confirming bank takes responsibility for the payment. So this is the main point for the confirmed LC. In that case, confirmed bank or a guarantor bank ensure that payment will be done to the seller. He works, confirming bank or guarantor bank works as a guarantor. Advantages of confirmed LC: first, reduced risk for seller. The seller is protected from the risk of the buyer's bank defaulting or failing to make payments. It guarantees payment even if the buyer's bank encounters financial difficulties or political issues arise in the buyer's country. It is the main advantage for the confirmed LC. The risk of the payment is reduced. Second, increased trust in international trade. Seller may feel more comfortable entering to trade with the buyers from less stable regions, knowing the local bank guarantee the payment. Third advantage, access to local bank support. The seller can work directly to their own bank, making the transaction process smoother and easier to manage. So these are the three advantages of confirmed LC. First, reduced risk for seller. Second, increased trust in international trade. And third, access to local bank sports. Further, what are the disadvantages of a confirmed LC? Higher cost. Adding confirmation from a second bank increase the cost as confirming bank charges a fee for its services. This make a confirmed LC more expensive than a regular or unconfirmed LC. That is the disadvantage, because in additional bank as a guarantor bank is added for the case of confirmed LC, it has additional cost. Second disadvantage is complexity. The involvement of an additional bank adds more paperwork and administrative steps, make the process more complex and time consuming. Second is definitely in addition of other bank paperworking and administrative steps, and the further process will increase. Definitely time will increase. Third disadvantage is limited availability. Not all banks may agree to confirmed LC, especially if the issuing bank or the country of buyer is perceived to be high risk. So this is the third advantage. Not all bank will agree for the confirmed LC, especially in case of repute of other bank, other country, and repute of buyer. So these were the disadvantages. Higher cost first, complexity due to involving additional bank and paperwork, administrative steps, and time consuming. And third, limited availability. These were the disadvantages of confirmed LC. Uses of confirmed LC, high risk countries are bank. Confirmed LCs are commonly used when the buyer is located in country with a political or economical instability, or when the buyer's bank is not highly rated in terms of credit worthiness. So this was the lecture about confirmed LC. We have discussed the topic what is confirmed LC, second how the confirmed LC works, third we have discussed advantages of confirmed LC, advantages risk for seller reduced, increased trust level and access to local bank sports, and in third, we have discussed disadvantages, higher cost, complexity, and limited availability. And the last, we have discussed about the uses of confirmed LC. I hope today talk about the concept about the confirmed LC would be very clear. We shall see you in next lecture with another topic. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.